Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. And the question for today comes from Jeline Ganal. She asks, Hi Sir Edric, for example, I already have an existing home loan from a bank and I'm planning to get another investment. Will I be approved if I apply for another home loan knowing that I have an existing long-term loan? Yes, you can get more than one home loan from a bank, as long as you have the financial capacity to pay for the additional loan, subject to the bank's requirements and criteria. If you want to grow your real estate portfolio quickly with the use of leverage, 3 things to remember. 1. Buy more if you can pay the loans over the long run. If you have a steady and well-paying job, then you can take on more debt because generally, you will have some leeway to easily adjust to any change in situation. 2. Keep an emergency fund, equivalent to 3 to 6 months of your income, so you have enough time to adjust in times of crisis. With this, you can keep your properties from getting foreclosed or from selling your properties at a loss. 3. Always be disciplined with managing your income and expenses. Make sure you have enough to cover for the loan amortization of all your properties. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you need help in getting a property, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.